Today's the day. I've got me USDA Choice brisket from HEB, $2.96 a pound. Pretty good, $33. Trimmed it the night before. I think it came out pretty good, the trim. I like it, you know, for a backyard barbecue. I did season it this morning, let the rub sit in, and it's gonna hang on the Bronco. Let you see how it is when it comes to hanging the Bronco. So if you haven't done it yet, or you want to purchase the Bronco, give you an idea of how to do it. So hopefully helps you out there. It's going to be a fantastic cook, a good cook. Chilling out here, you know, this hot Texas weather, burning up, but it's going to be good. You know, I did daisy chain it with the hooks, and the top hooks I did kind of get close to the top of the flat, just kind of give it more space in the bottom from the point to where the charcoal's going to be at. You know, don't want it touching it, so kind of just raise it up a little more on that, and you know, it's going to shrink during the cook, so should be okay on that, just to give you an idea. And trimming it, I probably took off maybe, I don't know, 1.5 pounds, maybe more than that, of fat, you know, so that helped out too. But that's pretty much it. You're gonna let it roll. I'm not gonna put any temp probes in it. You can if you want, so you know, see where it's at on the point in the flat, but I'm gonna go from there, and I'm gonna wrap it when it gets to the color I like, and when the rub has stuck to the brisket, and then that's when I'll probably wrap it. Just a easy cook, it's gonna be good. So stick around. It's sitting at 275, so I'm gonna dial it down to that 1, let it drop. There it is, looking pretty good. Now let's close it up. What's good about the Bronco is that I have to set it, forget it, drum smoker. Just leave it alone. It's gonna stay at that temp. Come inside if you want. Chill out, hang out. Let the Bronco do his thing. Close to 250. Leaving it like that. Let's check it. And like it. Looking good. Yeah, that's good right there. I don't know how well you can tell, but yeah, that's got to be a good maybe 3 to 4 inches away from the charcoal. So that's good. Looks pretty good. And then this is after 4 hours. That's what the charcoal is looking like right there. And what's good about this when you hang is that if you need to put more charcoal, you can easily do it. But that's what it looks like after 4 hours in. Pretty good. Let's check it out. Yeah, it looks good. Getting a little darker now. Spray it down. Tell you what though, it's looking good. And no charcoal was going smoky in there. Sound like I don't know if it's a fire truck or ambulance, but man, hopefully everything's okay. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But It's good. Let's close it up. All right, we're 6 hours in. Man, that's looking good. Real good. I think it's time that I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. I like the way it looks. It looks good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. Yep. I'm ready. Let's wrap it. $178, $179. So we good. Alright. Fold it up like that. Just like that. Alright. So that on the bottom. And that on the top. So just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just tear off from right there. And then put it back on the Bronco. Alright. There it is. And I got it fat cap down. Let me get this in here to get good temperature read on there on the cooking grate. So let's close it up. Continue on. All right, there it is. Oh yeah, this is the point right here. This is going in. It feels good on that right there. I'm gonna take it off, let it rest in the towel and the ice chest. I'm gonna go for about maybe 2 hours. If I go 3, we're good. We'll see. You know, kind of hungry here, but I'm gonna let it go for at least 2 hours rested, and then I'll slice into it. Yeah, look at that, man. Look at that, soaking wet. Butcher pepper, soaking wet. All right, let me get to it. All right, it's wrapped up. Oh, doggy, look at that. Soaking wet. Alright, let's check it. Ooh, doggy. Looking good. Ooh, jiggly. Let's go for about the middle right here. Looking pretty good, eh? Man, not dry at all. The point. Down the middle. Man, I tell you what, it is juicy. Look at that. Man, beautiful. All right. I tell you what, it smells nice. And the point, my God, it's just so moist. And the flat. Oh man. That is good. Tell you what. Nothing about this brisket is dry. I mean, it's so moist. It took 11 hours to cook, and I let it rest for 3 hours. So letting it rest for 3 hours helped. Man. I'm sorry. I just got to pick at it. Okay. And just the flat just breaks apart. And then the point. Telling you, I've cooked briskets on the Bronco. When they come out moist, so some parts dry, especially the flat. But man, this brisket, no, it's come out good. It's not dry at all. Wish you're here to taste this. And that baker's rub, good. Oh yeah. Like I said, 11 hours to cook, 3 hours of rest. And that's what you come out with. Like you see it. That's the point. Man, and this is the Choice brisket. Choice. So it's come out good. I think what I'm gonna do is chop it up, make some sandwiches. So, it's easy, folks. If you have the Bronco, or if you think about getting one, easy to hang. Just 11 pound. Trimmed it, man. I probably trimmed it maybe, like I said, maybe pound and a half, maybe more than that, 2, maybe 3. You know, trimmed off the fat. Hung it down, and I had probably like maybe that much from the point to the charcoal. So it worked out. Man. So hang your brisket. Hang your brisket. There's nothing to it. To set it, forget it. Drum smoker. Set the temp you want, and you're good. Sit back, relax, listen to music, drink your favorite beverage, or go inside, hang out inside. And I'm telling you, man, the flat's not even dry at all. Man, good. So, get out there, get a brisket, hang it, let it cook. When I first hung it, let it sit in the Bronco for about 4 hours, and then I looked at it to see how it looked. And from there, just keep going, and then by the time the rub was sticking to the meat and the brisket looked pretty, like, you know, pretty dark. I was going by the color of it. I wasn't going by the tip. That's why I didn't put no rubs in it. Tip looked good on there, and then the color. So then wrapped it. Man, get out there. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. Cut a Bronco. If you haven't done it yet, hang a brisket. Trust me. Oh man, so flavorful. Till next one, folks. Smoke on, everyone. Looks like I finished in time. Thunderstorms coming this way. Look at all that lightning. Does it look beautiful though?